Sometimes we forget why we're here. It's easy to fall off track. These help us remember.
These battle scars don't look like they're fading, don't look like they're ever gone away. They ain't never gonna change. These battles.
Growing up I had a dream, something no one else could see. Tell me what it means when your faith is falling beneath your knees and you can't breathe. Everything you see reminds you of what you need.
Come on, let's go do agility. Come here. You have energy to burn off. That's for sure.
Daisy.
Good boy. Look. Chase. Go play. Want more water? No? Okay, finished. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Are you sassy? And be very sassy. Sassy. It's a dog park. You're supposed to be running around and playing. What are you doing? My friends can't stay here forever. Sorry. Get it. No? Okay.